Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML list and table. HTML list allow to group a set of related items in lists, and table allow to arrange data in rows and columns. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save. File name list and table.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol, then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file titled list and tables. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. For ordered list, we need to use OL tag, and inside OL opening and closing tag, we need to use the li tag for list items. For unordered list, we need to use the UL tag, and inside UL opening and closing tag, we need to use the li tag for list items. By default, ordered list type is 1. If we make it capital A, then it will start with capital A, and if we make it small a, then it will start with small a, and if we make it I, then it will start with Roman numbers. By default, unordered list type is disk, and we could make it circle, square, etc. For table, we need to use table opening and closing tag, and inside table opening and closing tag, we need to use the T head tag for table heading and T body tag for table body. In table heading, first we need to use the TR tag, and inside TR opening and closing tag, we need to use the TH tag for table heading entries. We have 3 table headings: name, email, and city. In table body, first we need to use the TR tag, and inside TR opening and closing tag, we need to use the TD tag for table data. In table body, we have 3 entries. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.